What happens if you turn Henry into the world's best vacuum cleaner? He already is! I hear you cry, but you've not seen anything yet. Today I'm going to show you my hybrid Henry that I've created, which probably outperforms any vacuum cleaner that I've ever tested. So to make my Henry better, I've always used a Numatic aero tool, but on some carpets it just doesn't like to play. It's air driven, so sometimes stops on thicker piles. Now if only there was an air driven tool that didn't do that. Then yesterday, a Dyson arrived, a DC39 with its turbine tool. It's air driven, but doesn't fit Henry. I took a Henry power tool adapter, which is like a rubbery adapter, and you put that on sanders and stuff like that normally. I cut it down to the perfect size, so it fits the Dyson tool snugly. You just put it on Henry's normal metal pipe, and then I tested it. It is incredible. The turbo tool does not want to stop no matter what you throw at it. My carpets in this room are pretty old. I've tested Dysons, Miele's, every brand going, and I've never really created any carpet lines. With this tool, it's even trying to do that on this old carpet. I just absolutely love it, but I did wonder, is this just the beginning? Has someone out there made something even better? I know I've seen the guys put the electric ones on the Henry and stuff, but I don't like the idea of a battery. Have you found an amazing aero tool for your Henry? Please put it in the comments below. I'm now going to leave you with some awesome footage of me cleaning up a big mess. Not something I normally do, and don't tell the wife. I do hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vacuum cleaner videos. YouTube has picked this next one especially for you.